Hey, hey, it's Caroline Boudreau with Team It's All That, and I've got a surprise for you. I am going to challenge myself to tell you all about everything in the Premium Starter Kit in 10 minutes or less. So let's go. Okay, the best thing in your Premium Starter Kit is what's free, right? So you get a free diffuser. This is our Desert Mist diffuser. It is the bomb. It's the bomb. So what I love the most about the diffuser, other than the fact that you can change the settings for how long it runs, and it'll run all night long. I run mine all night. You have this beautiful feature where the light changes. So you can change it. This is the candle flicker. This is everybody's favorite, is the candle flicker. So fun. And you've got all these different colors. Isn't that beautiful? So you can pick what works for you and keep it on that, or you can run through all of them and it'll just rotate through them. So that's pretty awesome. Very, very versatile. It's our absolute favorite diffuser. And you get it free in your Premium Starter Kit. You can't get better than that. Okay, so let's get into the oils, right? Because that's the whole deal. I want to talk about why we have two different types of labels. So we've got a set of oils that have a white label, and they're called Vitality oils. And we have a set of oils with like regular labels, okay? They're different colors. Here's the deal. Your white label Vitality oils are labeled for ingestion. You can take these as a supplement to support different body functions, okay? It'll support body systems and body functions taken internally in a capsule or a drop on the tongue or in some water or however you choose to do that, okay? These are the ones that we take internally. The regular label oils that are just colored label, those are the ones we put in the diffuser, we put on our skin, the bottom of our feet. We use them topically and aromatically in the diffuser. And so the government requires us to have two separate labels because this is a supplement label. This is a cosmetic label. So the laws require us to put two separate labels, even though it's the exact same thing in the bottle. Here's the Lavender Vitality, okay? Internal use supplement, right? Here's regular lavender for topical use to put in your diffuser for aromatic use, okay? They're both the same oil. Each bottle has the exact same oil in the bottle. It's the only thing different is the label because of what the government requires. So if you have regular lavender and you're wondering, can I take that? If it has a Vitality counterpart, you can take it, okay? So let's just be clear. Exact same in the bottle. The only thing that's different is the label. There's nothing different about the oils in the bottle, okay? So some of the oils in the kit are gonna be Vitality label oils and some will be regular label oils, so let's get to it. Okay, Digize. Digize, you've got to think digestion. Think happy tummy. So you went to Taco Bell and you really shouldn't have done that, right? And your tummy's not happy. Make sure you never leave home without your Digize because it makes the tummy happy. So happy tummy is your Digize oil. Lemon. Lemon Vitality, you want to think pH support. So pH support for your body, kidney support, circulation. We put this in our water. It's our favorite oil to add into our drinking water to support our kidneys, support our body pH, etc., etc. It's also awesome for cleaning. You want to get up something gummy and sticky? Lemon oil is your friend. Okay. Frankincense, think immunity, think neurological system, nerves, emotions, okay? You can also put the regular frankincense for topical use can go on your face. I use this every day as part of my skincare routine. I put frankincense on. Lots of people like to put frankincense in their pits. Works awesome. Head, mouth, frankincense can go anywhere. It's like the holy oil that you can put anywhere. Amazing stuff. Peppermint. Peppermint is another favorite. Peppermint vitality, you want to think digestion support. Diffusing peppermint or putting peppermint on, say, the back of your neck, if you're at that age where sometimes things heat up, a little peppermint on the back of your neck is miraculous, okay? Peppermint's also very energizing. I've done long drives at night where I'm getting sleepy in the car. I pop open that peppermint bottle, take some deep breaths, and I'm good to go, okay? Very energizing. Citrus Fresh. Citrus Fresh is a blend of really awesome citrus oils. It's going to wake everybody up. So this is a good one for you moms in the morning that are getting kids up for school. Put this puppy in the diffuser and start waking those kids up. Great also for cleaning, like a lot of the citrus oils. This one next to lemon. If for some bizarre reason I'm out of lemon, I use Citrus Fresh to clean up anything gunky, crayons on the wall, you know, gum on the sofa, whatever. Citrus Fresh is a good second to lemon for those things. It's just a great all-around pick-me-up oil. If you kind of like dragging, put some Citrus Fresh in the diffuser. It will pick you up. You will feel nice again. Okay, lavender. Lavender is like one of the favorite oils ever, okay? And the amazing thing is, I find it really interesting that worldwide, there is over 100 times more lavender sold than there's plant material able to be distilled to make lavender oil. How does that work? They've got to be making some fake lavender, right? Because that's the only way they can do that. This is the real deal. Make sure you're getting the real deal. The fake lavender is not safe. So you want to make sure you're getting the real deal. We have our own lavender fields. We grow our own lavender. It's the real deal, okay? So what do we do with lavender? Oh my gosh, what do you not do with lavender? This is your Swiss Army knife. You can do everything with lavender. If you don't know what to use lavender. And it's great for skin. It's great for relaxing at nighttime, getting some sleep. Helps you rest better. You have a better quality of rest. Wonderful in the bath just to relax and unwind. It's your take me away oil in the bathtub with some Epsom salts. So lavender is amazing. Okay, Panaway. This little beauty, holy moly. It is your friend to your muscles. So if your muscles are not happy, Panaway will make your muscles happy. It'll make your muscles and joints happy. Great for soft tissue after physical activity. If you've overworked your muscles, Panaway is your friend. It should go in every gym bag, okay, and should always go with you to the gym. Okay, Stress Away. What can I say about Stress Away? I mean, just the name, right? Stress Away. Our blends are named appropriately. They do what they say, right? So think it's been one of those days with the kids and you're ready to do something that you probably shouldn't do. Just take a huff of some Stress Away, put some on your wrist, rub your wrist together, take 30 seconds, and reevaluate in 15 minutes. I'm telling you, one of my good friends, Becky Gott, says she puts Stress Away on people and tells them to reevaluate in 15 to 30 minutes, reevaluate their lives, and they have a whole different perspective. I'm telling you, I've used it, it works. You will have a whole different perspective on life after Stress Away. Okay, so next we have Raven. Raven is your happy lung oil. So if your lungs aren't happy or your breathing isn't happy, Raven makes it happy, makes all the breathing happy. And it's great to put on pre-workout. You put some on your chest. When you work out, you've got to take those really deep breaths. You need a little bit more oxygen. Your muscles are using up more oxygen, right? So you need deeper breaths. You need more capacity. Putting Raven on your chest before your workout has helped lots and lots of athletes. We get lots of stories of athletes using this pre-workout, and they have a much better workout because of the assistance with the breathing and the oxygenation. So Raven, awesome stuff. Valor. Valor was my gateway oil. Valor saved my life when I was in a place in my life where I needed to make a big change. And I was using this every day just to survive. Valor is exactly what it says. It's the oil when you just don't feel like you have the confidence or the guts to do something. Valor is your friend. Valor gives you courage. Peace and calming. Okay, mommies. We all know those kids can get rowdy, right? Peace and calming is required so often. Nap time. Peace and calming in the diffuser. Guess what? Quiet time becomes quiet time. So peace and calming is going to help those kids unwind. It is the chill pill. It does what it says. It brings peace and calming. Okay. And then our final oil is the Thieves Vitality. And the Thieves Vitality is our number one, Thieves in general is our number one selling essential oil in Young Living. It is, think immunity. Thieves Vitality, you're going to think immunity. How do I support my immune system? How do I keep my immune system humming? So my body does what it's supposed to do to keep me healthy and well and vital, right? So Thieves is your friend. I never go on an airplane without this. When I fly with Thieves. Thieves keeps my immune system top notch, so I don't have to worry about anything. This is great for oral health too. If you've got dental issues and you're choosing to keep your oral health like top notch, Thieves products and Thieves essential oil, amazing for oral health. Okay, so those are the oils in the premium starter kit. Like, oh my gosh, like something for everything, right? Okay, so we also have 2 sample packets of something called Ningxia Red. And Ningxia Red is a super fruit drink. It's a conglomeration of amazing superfoods all in one packet. It's a fruit juice, okay? But the kicker in Ningxia Red is that it has wolfberries from China, from a very specific province in China. That these wolfberries have an amazing nutritional profile that is stunning. These particular packets make great freezer packs for the kids. You put these in the freezer and you just cut off this top part right here and they've got a push-up freezer pop. We drink this every day. It's part of our daily nutrition. It's like a multivitamin protein drink in a little pouch. Pop it in your fridge, let it cool down and chill, and try it. You're gonna love it. It will change your life. It really will. Okay, so you're also going to get something called Thieves Hand Purifier, and this is a great little gym for your gym bag or your purse. It's a great little size, and yes, it's tiny, but here's the deal. You don't need much. Like everything we have, only a little tiny bit is required. So we're just going to put a little bit, okay, you see that? Just a little tiny bit on my hand. That's all you need. And the kids love this stuff because it smells like peppermint. So they smell like candy canes when they're done, and you will too. So it's amazing. People are like, what does that smell? It smells so good. Yeah, it's my hand purifier. So this stuff is amazing, and it's all natural. There's nothing toxic in here. This is actually good for you. It will help boost your immune system and kill the icky germs, okay? So you get that in your kit too. You can throw that in your purse or gym bag. And you will also get a Thieves hard surface spray, or if it's not this, it would be a packet of Thieves household cleaner. Okay, so it'll be one or the other. Some have the Thieves household cleaner, some have the spray, okay? And the spray is for hard surface sprays. This is also great to have in your gym bag or your purse. So like my sister, when we go to a restaurant, she likes to spray the table down because, you know, they wipe that with some old nasty rag that's wiped a bunch of, She sprays the table down, wipes it with a napkin. We got a nice clean table to eat off of, okay? So that's what this is about. Your shopping cart, you know, you can spray the handle, wipe it down, and you know that it's clean. And the Thieves household cleaner is gonna come in a packet about this size, and it's gonna make a couple of bottles of, big bottles of household cleaner. I have gotten rid of every household cleaning product in my house because I use the Thieves Household Cleaner. It smells amazing, and I can breathe it in, and it's gonna be good for me. Like, it's not gonna hurt my lungs, it's not going to choke me, I don't have to hold my breath when I use it. And I've actually like sprayed it in my mouth just to show people how safe it is. So you can have a household cleaner in your house that your children are gonna be safe with. The household cleaner cleans everything. I have old wood floors, they're over 50 years old. We clean our wood floors with that. We damp wipe our furniture, our wood furniture. We clean our bathrooms, our kitchen. Every surface in our home is cleaned with Thieves Household Cleaner. And when I have a really hinky stain for laundry, I'll just use some undiluted Thieves Household Cleaner on the stain, and I've never had a stain not come out. It always comes out. So I use it for all kinds of things. And the Thieves Household Cleaner is the cheapest, most inexpensive household cleaner you will ever use. You can make a 32-ounce bottle for like 88 cents. The Thieves Household Cleaner cleans everything, and you can adjust the strength of the concentration that you make based on the cleaning that you need to do. But for just general everyday household cleaning, it's a 1 to 30 dilution. So 30 ounces of water and 1 ounce of cleaner, and it'll clean everything. Windows, this is the first cleaner that I've had for windows and mirrors that doesn't streak. For real, y'all, doesn't streak. It's amazing. You will also get in your kit, you'll get this awesome product guide that's gonna show you all the stuff. We've got stuff for babies, we've got stuff for everybody. We have makeup, we have everything, okay? So you can like see all the wonderful products that Young Living has that contains our beautiful essential oils and all these products. This changed my life. I wasn't looking for this. It was actually given to me after I said no for a long time, over a year. I was like, no, get that away from me. Somebody gave it to me, and it changed my life. I was intimidated at first, so I get it if you're intimidated. What the heck do I do with all this? It's okay. I just decided I would take one oil and I would look it up in the catalog, in the product guide, find out more about it, and I would use that one oil until I felt comfortable with it, and then I moved on to the next one. And that's what I did for me. You do what feels right for you. We're here to support you. You've got tons and tons of support in person, online, tons of resources, and we can plug you into all of that so you can learn at your own pace and fall in love with your starter kit.